carefully with the knife. Oh my gosh, is this an official unboxing?
I mean, I guess.
Alright, let's show me how it's done.
Cut this.
Oh my god. Hey, look! It's my book! Faith and Community!
Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap's important.
We started working on this book. I started working on it before you were even born. This research is older than you even are. And you've been at so many different parts of it. Do you remember helping give meals to the homeless at Canvas Community Church?
Mm-hmm.
What about when we went to Bullock Temple and you got to meet members of the Little Rock Nine? Do you remember meeting?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
You got to meet Gloria Ray. And what about when we planted flowers with Central Church of Christ at MLK Elementary School?
Oh, that was so fun.
You've been a part of this, and there's so many great stories from the community and from doing service here in this book. And now it's finally here, out in the world. And you get a copy.
Yay.
And I'm super excited to share it with the community.
Look, there's graphs. I don't.
There's lots of data in there for sure.
Look at this spreadsheet.
Lots of surveys, lots of interviews, lots of data, lots of statistics, and lots of stories about the good that places of worship do in our community. And I'm so excited that you've been a part of it.
Ooh, look at that. It's a flow chart.